In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom color scale for varying ranges of data in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your data visualization skills, this guide will give you the tools to tailor your color scales effectively, enhancing the clarity and visual appeal of your reports. So sit back, relax, and follow along as we dive into the Tableau interface. First, we'll begin by launching the Tableau application. If you haven't done this already, make sure you have it installed on your computer, then open it to access your projects. Once Tableau is running, navigate to your worksheet where you'd like to apply the custom color scale. This could be an existing report or a new worksheet, depending on your needs. Now, let's set up the data we'll use for this color scale. Drag the subcategory field to the column shelf. This step helps you organize your data by subcategory, which will be visualized along the x-axis of your report. Following this, drag the sales field to the rows shelf. The sales data populates the y-axis and gives you a basic view of your subcategories against their corresponding sales figures. With your data layout in place, we're going to leverage the power of calculated fields to define a custom color scale. Click on the Analysis menu at the top, followed by selecting Create Calculated Field. This feature is crucial because it allows you to add custom logic beyond the default parameters, offering more flexibility and personalization to your visualizations. After selecting Create Calculated Field, name your new field appropriately so it's easily recognizable later, perhaps something like Custom Sales Color. In the query box, you'll enter the specific calculation or logic needed for your color scale. Once you've input your query, hit OK to save your calculated field. If you're unsure about what query to use, make sure to review your dataset needs beforehand, as calculated fields can be powerful tools for tailoring your analytics. Next, we want to apply this calculated field to map colors. Take the calculated field you've just created and drag it to the color section under the marks field. By doing this, you inform Tableau that the range of data within your calculated field should be what drives the color variation on your graph. To finalize your color preferences, you can further adjust the specific color values to suit your needs. To do this, simply click on the color legend and select Edit Colors. A menu will pop up, allowing you to choose from various color palettes or even create one from scratch. This customization ensures that the colors you select best contrast your data visualizations, making them engaging and easier to interpret. That wraps up our session today on crafting custom color scales in Tableau. By following these steps, you can personalize the aesthetics of your data visuals and make your reports more compelling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create insightful and visually appealing dashboards.